You're okay. Yan. Yan ang mga palaging tanungan dito sa Inglaterra. So, kung UK nurse ka, so alam mo to. Very polite talaga sila literal. So, this week, may isa akong duty na actually may nagtanong nun, parang ang sakit-sakit lang para sa akin na sumagot na ayos lang pero hindi. As in, may isa pa na tanong na, uy, kamusta ka? Parang kakakamusta niya, naluluha na ako kasi grabe yung araw na yun na iba yung napagdaanan ko. And meron yung isa kong um, friend na si Jess na parang nakakalungkot lang kasi nung at the end ng shift nakausap ko siya na nasabi ko nga tapos hinag niya ako parang I feel comfort naman that day. And during that time, I have one senior nurse na sobrang na-feel ko yung support niya. I'm so happy talaga. She's so helpful as in time to time, chine-check niya ako, uy, kamusta ka? Anong kailangan mo? Kada tanong niya, anong kailangan mo? Ito pa, pwede pa tulong gawin tong blood gas, parang as in, ginawa niya kasi sabi ko hindi pa ako nakakaupo as in, sabi ko, nas, at the end of the day na I'm so appreciate on what she have done on me. Simple things na ganon, it's really big impact. Kung alam niya lang, I want to say very grateful ako during that time with her. Then I asked one huge favor from her and nakakatuwa lang as in. Tapos yung sagot niya na parang, syempre naman, it's okay, we want to take care for you. Ganun, nakaka-touch lang as in. Iba yung nangyari sa akin nung araw na yun. This is my, lang, parang, unang time na parang naramdaman ko yung ganun na iba yung pakiramdam ko dun sa pinagtrabahuan kong na kwarto during that day. Pero at the end of the day, thank God kasi natapos namin yung shift na safe and okay. And those people na I've speak with that day, I'm so happy as in they make me pinagaan yung loob ko. So, ayun lang. So, at least I'm off now and having good day. Just want to share and shout out to those people during that day.